My name is Yulia Litvinenko, and this is the Home Chef Cooking School. Today we're going to make crispy breaded cheese, as well as a berry sauce. This appetizer is perfect for any party, and kids love it too. Let's make it together. Today we're making crispy breaded cheese. I took the cheese out of the fridge, specifically from the freezer. It's slightly frozen. This will make it much easier for us to bread it. We take a triangle of cheese. First we coat it in the flour, then in a lightly egg liaison. Next we have panko breadcrumbs, then the egg liaison again, and once more the panko breadcrumbs. This type of breading is called double breading. All right, let's try frying the cheese. For this, I'll need a skimmer like this. I place the cheese on it and lower it into the preheated oil. Very carefully using the skimmer, I am turning the cheese triangle so that it fries more evenly and efficiently. Just look at how beautiful it turned out. I place the finished fried cheese on a paper towel. This is necessary so that the excess fat is absorbed by the paper towel. So next step, we start breading. I bread it in plain flour, then dip it into the egg liaison. Egg liaison is simply a beaten egg, meaning both the white and the yolk. It's very important to seal each piece of cheese in the egg liaison. And also in the breadcrumbs. Don't forget that we're doing a double breading, so after the breadcrumbs, I dip it again into the egg wash, and then once more into the breadcrumbs. The clumps that form after using the breadcrumbs can be very easily dried out and then broken up again by hand. I place the cheese on a skimmer and lower it into the hot oil. Don't forget to carefully turn each piece of cheese both to ensure even frying of it. It's very important that the cookware you pour the oil into is completely dry, without a single drop of water. The skimmer should also be dry. As for the breadcrumbs, in this case I used panko. That's a type of breadcrumb, but you can use any other light bread-based breadcrumb coating. You can even make this kind of breadcrumb yourself. To do that, you'll need to dry out a loaf of bread and grind it up. Alright, let's take a look at the wonderful cheese we've made. Just look at how beautifully it stretches. After frying the cheese, I have some oil left over. I strongly advise against pouring it down the drain. So you should let it cool, pour it into a plastic bottle, and throw it away. Now we're going to make a sauce for our crispy breaded cheese. So here's what we'll need. Fresh strawberries, a bit of plum, demerara brown sugar, and definitely some dark balsamic vinegar for acidity. I'm cutting the berries freely into large segments. I place the strawberries into a saucepan and immediately add the brown sugar. Then I'll cut the plum freely as well, this way. Now I immediately add a bit of balsamic vinegar. Gently and slowly stir and bring to a gentle simmer. This particular kind of sauce should be cooked over low heat. If you don't have fresh berries, you can use any other kind, like frozen currants or raspberries. As soon as our berry sauce starts to boil a little, we let it simmer for about 30-40 seconds and then remove it from the heat. So our sauce is ready and I'm taking it off the stove. I suggest blending the finished berry sauce with a blender to make it easier to dip the crispy cheese. Well then, our cheese is ready, as well as the berry sauce. And now we move on to plating our dish. For this, into a small sauce dish, which I placed in the center of the plate, we pour the berry sauce, and next we arrange our cheese. Very beautiful crispy cheese. Then I'll finely slice some herbs into thin strips and place them on top of the sauce. In this case, I'm using green basil and fresh mint now. And finally, we'll garnish our dish with fresh strawberries. To do this, I cut the berries in half. Enjoy your meal. Crispy breaded cheese with berry sauce is ready.